FENGCHI Full Servo High-Speed Flute Laminator GW Series. Adopt domestic and foreign first-class brand electric control system. Digital adjusting and one-key start. The latest pre-stacked structure with shaftless feeder head can laminate with super high speed, high accuracy, and high stability. The normal working speed could reach 16,000 sheets per hour. The self-developed control system providing auto-detecting device, auto-alarming during abnormal production, as well as production recording. Each section can be auto-adjusted after inputting sheet size. Machine is ready within 2 to 3 minutes, free of manual adjustments. The latest pre-stacked paper structure allow whole pile to be adjusted in advance. Servo motor controlled pile lift and top feeder enable stable and accuracy paper feeding. 2 options for bottom feeder. One is patented servo-controlled leading-edge bottom feeder, especially for heavy and deformed corrugated paper. The other is high-pressure vacuum belt feeder, especially for cardboard laminating. The transmission rack adapts suction fans and belt-driven to ensure fast, stable, and accurate delivery. The middle section is equipped with double photoelectric sensors to detect the position of top sheet, then bottom sheet is auto-feed accordingly. In the bottom section, 4 photoelectric sensors help detect the position of top sheet and bottom sheet, and both servo motors is to replenish the speed loss of top sheet and correct position. The 150mm enlarged roller, double bearing, both rollers after laminating ensure stability during high speed. The stainless steel glue roller is designed with strip, equipped with 3 sensors to detect glue volume and control glue level, making laminating more consistent. The water roller is used especially for deformed corrugated sheet. Auto-lubricant feeding equipment is used to save much labor during daily maintenance. The 15mm thicker and soft belt ensure enough pressure and protect top sheet from scratch. Manual paper collecting is available for small jobs lamination or stacker in case suddenly stops to work. The full servo flip-flop stacker with working speed 15,000 sheets per hour, providing front and back stacking with one-button operation. The transmission belt can be moved and manual paper collecting is available. With excellent performance, we are convinced FENGCHI Full Servo High-Speed Laminator will be your best choice and partner.